In this Electude teacher tutorial, you will learn how to grade Electude lab tasks. First, log in as teacher and assign a course containing a lab task. In this example, Chapter 10 of Classroom Math, Electricity and Electronic Systems 1 is assigned to Class A. With the course assigned, students may now log in and complete coursework containing the lab tasks. The student opens the course and selects a lab from the Practical Applications folder. The student follows the instructions and fills in the information required by the task. When the student is finished, the task is submitted to be evaluated by the teacher. The teacher logs in to evaluate submitted lab tasks. To begin, go to the Student tab and select the group you wish to grade from the left-hand menu. Next, click the course assigned listed under Group Content. Scroll to the bottom of the page to view the submitted labs that require grading. From here you have the choice to click on the line to review the student's task record, or click the drop-down and assign a quick grade. In this example, we chose to click on the line to review the student's task record. Click the Review Module button to open and review the student's work. When you're finished with the review, click the Exit Module arrow in the upper right corner to return to the previous screen. From here you can click the pencil to assign a percentage score and comment visible to the student, as well as the plus to assign a 1 through 4 performance indicator for ASE task tracking. As an alternative to using the pencil and plus button, you can use the navigational arrow at the top of the page to return to the quick grade area. In this example, we chose to return to the quick grade area and assess the 1 through 4 performance indicator together with the percentage score with a single click. Please go to electude.com to view more training tutorials.